Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I'm gonna tell you about how to use the AI assistant on Infinix smartphone. I will tell you step by step how you can. So first of all, you have to long press your home screen like this. Now you can see the Google Assistant is now started. So click on this get started. First of all, you have to sign in your Google account like this. Then you have to verify that it's you. Write your email id, log in first, and then friends, it will capture or listens your voice or tone, and then you can command hey Google, like I will show you, like this. Tap on the mic, open YouTube. So friends, you can see,
Got it. Could you
though
unlock
you
your
can,
phone?
so you can see friends, it is now enabled. The Google Assistant has started the YouTube application. This is how you can command AI assistant. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.